to another video on the channel.
Today we're looking at a 2025 Toyota Camry SE. Now this ain't your average Camry. Now this is actually the first year that they put in the hybrid 4-cylinder in here. And it also has that 4-wheel drive. And it actually has some upgrades too. You got tinted windows, you got the nice two-tone interior with the black leather, with the white stitching, and then you got a little, you know, kind of like a little racing stripe in the middle of the seat. You know, before we get too far in this video, we'd like to give a big shout out to Hyundai Ziegler of Racine, and a big shout out to Bree for allowing us to do this video today. And you know, if you're looking to buy any vehicle at Ziegler Hyundai of Racine, come check her out. You know, she'll take care of you.
Hi guys, my name is Bree at Ziegler Hyundai of Racine. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, or whatever day you guys are watching this. I'm here with Ernest and Jonathan. We're going to review a 2025 Toyota Camry and SE. I hope this video finds you very well. But if you guys have any questions, please text our friends over here, or feel free to give me a text or call as well. Thank you.
And then we'll put all our information in the description. And you know, make sure you come see her. I mean, she's one of the best salesperson out there. I mean, so definitely check her out. We'll leave a link in the description and with all her contact information, and we'll get right into the video.
I spent all night rehearsing the line, 'cause when I thought I saw you standing in the corner, I thought they'd have arrived. Really held on my mind. I spent all night rehearsing the line, 'cause when I thought I saw you standing in the corner, I thought they'd have arrived. I swore I got a glimpse of your curly hair, like you were wearing something I used to wear. And then I'm back in Brooklyn laughing about the guy who spilled your drink everywhere. How much time has gone by?
Show you around the vehicle here.
How much time has gone by? You still think about those nights. Did you know that you was walking you home? Or when we stayed up at the bar till it closed. You were sure if it was right, but it was nice to be on our own.
See how a 5'8" guy will fit in the back there.
No, got pretty good headroom. You know, again, I am a 5'8" guy here. You know, I can see myself going on a road trip in this thing. Now, personally, I would rather be the guy driving than the guy in the back seat, but, you know, for the person in the back seat, they're going to have some fun, too. Be nice and comfortable. You know, and you even got AC in the back. And then you got your USB, your USB-C. Then if you want to close your vents, you just use this. Just close, open, and then here's that little racing stripe there. And you got it again here, and then you got some nice stitching here. LED. Now, most cars don't give you the LEDs. Very nice interior. Black carpet. Nice chrome handle.
Let's show you what you got here. Your glove box. A lot of storage. You probably can fit like the 4 Kinetics in here. Then another 6-pack in there. Oh, you know what? Wireless charging. You're not shy of chargers in this thing. You just set your phone there and you're set to go. Then you got 2 USB-Cs and then 1 USB. And And here's your eco mode, but who wants that? Normal and sport. EV mode. And then your parking brake. Oh, and beautiful key. Camry. Oh, hang on here. There we go. Lock, unlock, and trunk. More space for your other kinetics there. You know what? There is. Right there. Oh, there's your floor mat.
You got your all-weather floor mats here, and then you even got a cargo mat that says Camry right there.
We also got leverages on each side to have more storage space. So if you pull each side and then go to the passenger side, those seats will close to you.
Oh, look
Just
at
like
that. Who needs a truck when you got a Camry? Look at that. And then you don't got to worry about flying away either. Alright, now the Skywheeler.
And then you got these nice Bridgestone tires on here with your gloss black rims here. And an even nice touch here. Black lug nuts. Now you don't just get that. Normally you get chrome. Now that's an extra price you got to pay for those. Now this has got your 335 45 R18. Now these are 18-inch rims. Nice rims there. With your nice beefy brakes here, with your nice beefy rotors, your brake calipers here.
Let's go ahead and show you the engine here. Let's pop her open here. Find the lever here. See what we got here. It does have the 2.5 liter. Oh, and you do get nice LED headlights. Some cars that are 2025 and they're still giving you those crappy lights.
And then if you're looking for your holder here. Now this is your hybrid engine.
Nice and quiet. You know, the best thing about working on a 4-cylinder, it's real easy to work on to get your spark plugs out and stuff. This guy took the whole engine apart once in the V6.
And see, all your spark plugs are right under this engine cover.
Well, let's go show you some features inside. It's a little cold out here.
Now you do got dual climate control for your passenger and driver. Right now it's at 84, so you can go to high, and then you can go all the way to low. So then you got your front defrost, rear defrost, you got sync, AC, and that's for your air vents in the back there. Then you got your vents here, your hazards, you got auto, and then this does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Sirius XM sound, which you would probably get for about 3 months when you purchase this vehicle. And then you got your LED lights up again here. Your sun visor. Nice shifter. Now see, most manufacturers, they don't give you this shifter anymore. You gotta push buttons. See, and then we got Eco, Normal, Sport, and then you got EV mode. So that would shut off the engine and you just run off the batteries.
Oh, and you do get the nice sport gas and brake.
You know, and then, you know, if you're stuck
Oh
in...
yeah, put your phone there. Let's show them the wireless charger here.
Yeah, we just find it here. Now see? Just set it there. Now it's charging. And then you got your USB and then 2 USB-Cs. And then this that says hold, that's for if you push your foot on the brake and then you push the hold button, then it's going to hold the brake for you while, you know, if you're stuck in traffic or something, you're getting tired of holding the brake. And you got your turn signals. The headlights are on auto. DRL's off, auto, on. And then that, your wipers. Then you got your auto high beams, your trunk, your fuel door, and then all 4 windows are auto. And then this is to lock the passenger windows, every window except for the driver's. And you got lock, unlock. Very nice infotainment system. Here's your key. That says Camry. And it says Toyota up here. Very nice.
You do get a couple different odometers that you can switch from.
So if you want to switch your odometer, you simply go back. And we go down to settings. And then I always like to have all these on. You got your lane keep assist. See your lane departure alert system. Blind spot monitor. Pre-collision system. Rear collision. Again, that gives you road may be icy, drive with care. Let's see what else we got here.
Oh, right there too. Let's see if you put it in sport here.
And then if you put it in
It's
sport.
sport,
Okay, now it's at sport.
eco, EV mode. Oh, you even got it right there, mode. You can get it right from the wheel.
Then you can hit it right from the wheel. You hit
Oh,
mode.
that's for the radio. But you
Oh,
know
that's
what?
for the
Same
radio.
thing though.
No, that's for your radio. You hit mode.
This guy still can't figure out how to switch the gauge for you.
Sorry about that, guys. See, and then here's your tire pressures. They're all at 35, which is good. Your trip, your distance. Your music. Cruise control. Your eco mode. Here we go. All right, now you got brightness, system timing, brightness, buzzer alarm. Should we turn that on? And you got your nice paddle shifters here. And then it does have 18,457 miles on here.
Let's
And
go ahead.
201 miles till empty, and then it's 28 degrees out. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin.
And then at the stop sign, we're going to take this left.
thanks for watching another video on the channel.
And a special thank you to Ziegler Hyundai of Racine for allowing us to shoot this video. And a really special thank you to Bree for allowing us to come out here and setting this all up for us. So if you're in the market for a vehicle and you're in the Racine area, Kenosha area, you know, or even if you're in the Illinois area, you know, come out here and check out all the vehicles they got out here.
And I don't know if you'll get a discount if you say Auto Illusion sent you, but
you know,
it don't hurt to try.
Yeah, and you know, Bree's really nice to work with, you know, and really easy going and stuff. So here's her card with all her contact information. So check her out. You know, and if you do check her out, let her know that we sent you, and
make sure to give her a big thank you from us, because we really appreciate it.
Yeah, you know, and say it in the comments. Say a big thank you to Bree for allowing us to come here. You know, it's a big opportunity for us to be able to come out here like this. You know, it's not every day that you get to come to a car dealer and review their car.
And trust us, we tried many, but she was the only one nice enough. Well, we had a couple, but
you know, and
they always are busy and stuff, but she took time out of her day to help us out.
Yeah, and you know, she even took time out of her day to even be in the video with us. You know, it's not every day that people take time out of their day to be in the video with you. You know, and we like to shout out our sponsors, Kinetic. Use code AUTO25 and
for 25% off for a limited time. I'm not sure if that's over when this goes up, but even if it is, you'll still get 15% off.
Yeah, but for a week, you get 25% off, and you know, it's the best brain fuel out there. You know, so we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.